the tutorial on Microsoft Excel from basic or from zero. On this opportunity, I will continue my tutorial from the first video, and it's about the version 2, continuing my tutorial on the previous video. And okay, we will learn about Microsoft Excel more. Okay, on this episode 2, we will explain deeper and how to do formatting data on Microsoft Excel and how to open the file here on Microsoft Excel. You can click the applications of Microsoft Excel and then select open. You can see here many choices on open menu. This is PC, recent, OneDrive, and etc. Recent, if you want to open the files recently, that always use opened before. And okay, we will try to just click the Microsoft Excel file that we've created before, and on this opportunity we will learn about how to do formatting on Microsoft Excel. Okay, I will fill the table. I need to complete this table. I will show you formatting on Microsoft Excel, and I think that it will be often used by you. Okay, you can see this B Control plus B or bold to make the text being bold. Okay, its name fruit will be bold after you click B or Control plus B. Stock, and then click bold, and price, and also that's italic. Just click italic or Control plus I to make the word to be italic. And once more, that is often used on Microsoft Excel is underline. For example, if you want to create underline words, just click this U sign beside the I and B to do the formatting. Okay, click O. O means U on the nation. It's U. If you click U, you will create underline on the word that you click, or on the cells that you click. Okay, if you click double, you will give a double underlined. And next, there's also color filling for cell or for column that you click. Okay, that's about more colors. For example, you can give it yellow, green, or more colors to give a standard column, or you can also do custom color on this part. And then after you have a price, this is prices color, just click OK. So the cell will be changed into the color that you want. That's up. You can also give a color for the text, not the cells. Okay, you just click the font color here beside the fill color. That's about text color. That's red, blue, black, yellow, and etc. And it will make a change to font color that you need to do the changes. For example, I will give it a red color. Okay, and after this I will show you to make your data to be more tidy. Okay. Okay, from this table we need to make it more tidy, I think, to make this there's also line center, a line left, a line center, a line right, a line justify. Okay, we will click the stock cell, and after you click the center, the text will be go to the middle, and you can do the plug kit here, plug the cell to make changes, or you can also do the plugging area to make changes by only using one method or one way without doing one by one. Okay, for instance, the data will be bigger. We wanna give a change from the bigger data. Okay, can see the difference here? That's about line one. You can do this on the top, middle, or bottom. Okay. Also on the Microsoft Excel, you can do some changes here. Oh, we need to create data, this data to be more. Okay, after you plug the data, you will learn about pointers. You can use the pointers to make table. It's a bottom border, top border, left border, right border, and etc. It's all borders, outside borders, and etc. So you will make all create automatically on the cells about the table. You can create a border to make a table for all the cells, also all borders. You can see lines here on every cells. From the name for it, there's also a box as a table. So it is similar to table and Microsoft corporations or Microsoft Word. And the next lesson is about the functions of copy paste cut. To copy these, for example, is copy. It's about price 100. We'll copy these cells to G3. Right click and then paste. Right click and then paste. Okay, this is paste spatial. Okay, you do the copy cells from green color and also the content of the cells that's 100 or number. Okay, that's a shortcut by copying and paste. To copy the cells or to copy the text or to do the copy, you just need to press Ctrl plus C. Then to do paste, you just need to press Ctrl plus V. And then the third is about cut function. It is used to make a move the data. It's different with copy because cut it means that you will you will take the data from one cell to another cell without copying the data. It's about cut. Okay. By using shortcut, also you can use by pressing Ctrl plus X and then paste on the cell that you want to do this data, and then Ctrl plus V to do paste. Okay, that's the tutorial today on the version of Microsoft Excel. The tutorial of Microsoft Excel from zero. The tutorial of Microsoft Excel from this episode 2. And good luck for you for trying. And see you in the next video. Bye.